Hi, this is a video on how to remove the faceplate and stereo for a 2013 Sprinter. So you have to start off by using a plastic tool like one of these. You can get them at Harbor Freight for $5. And you start by pulling off the faceplate portion, which was on here, and what keeps it clipped in is these metal clips here, right? And they basically just clip right in to this right there. So, and then there's a bunch of them. So you got one here, one over here, we got another one here, another one over here, and then down at the bottom there's one there, here, nope, sorry, just on the outsides, one there and there. And then there's one last one right in the center, right there. So that's it. You can start by just using your plastic thing. Probably I'd recommend somewhere under here, because this is the least visible portion of it. So if you end up by scratching it up a little bit, you can just, hopefully nobody's going to see it. So start at the bottom, work your way over there. If you start at the top, obviously this is a very visible spot right here. So if you scratch it up, everybody's going to see it. So after you get the plate off, it just pops right out of place, because these are just pinch clips, right? They just pinch into place, as you can see, so not a big deal. This portion stays in, and there's just a wire that clips into the back that is right here. You just unclip it later. So as you pull it out, you can work your way up the side and then around the top and then down the side, pull it out, and then this stays clipped in, but that's the only thing. And then you just unclip it and then the whole plate comes off. After this, the next thing you got to do is pull out the screws. You're going to need a T25 star-ended little Torx thing. You can get those also at Harbor Freight for $5, so it's not too expensive. And then you need to pull out a series of screws, which there are a bunch. Six on the top, 4 on the bottom, another 2 below that, and 2 more in the middle. So let's see here. So you got 4 right up on the top. You got 1 here, 1 there. Same thing on the other side, 1 here, 1 there. So there's 4 on the top. Then you get 2 kind of at the mid-level, here and here. Then you're going to have 2 more down here and here. And then 2 more at the bottom, under here and under here. Now, the next step will be to pull this out. Pull out your air conditioning console and just let it hang. You don't have to unplug it. You can just let it hang there like that. Now, after that, you're going to need to pull this out, and the way that you do that is you just reach underneath over to the side, and with your thumb from the side, you're going to want to push it in like so. And once you do that, and then over on the other side, same thing, you'll pull it out, and what you'll see is that there are these little clip things here on the side. This is what was keeping it in place. So that's why you used your thumb on one side and then on the other, and then just pulled it out. So not too bad. Then you're going to find that there's 2 more screws that were here and here. And you undo those, again, T25, Torx, you just pull those out. And then once you get those out, you can just pull up a little. So you're going to push it up and then pull it out. And then you're going to have a couple of things in the back, one there and one over here. I think that's the antenna over here, and the rest of the electronics over here. And those will be attached. You just detach those. This one's just, you twist it and pull. Pretty easy. This one's got a couple of pinch fingers there right on that right side there that look like this, right? So they are catching here and here. And so you just push them in from the top and then wiggle it and jiggle it out. And that's it. And then put it all back with whatever you got for that's new. Good luck.